Hey guys, welcome back to Flat Creek Outdoors. I'm Phil and we're going to be using the splitter some more. This is my brand new Wolfe Ridge Pro 28C or 28C Pro, the compact commercial machine. If you look at their lineup, this is the step up from the homeowner series, and so far I've been pretty impressed with it, but we did have a couple issues which I covered on my last video, which was the video when I first brought the splitter back and used it for the first time. Anyway, you can go back and check those out. But the update on those issues is that Wolfe Ridge got back to me. They're going to get me the replacement wedge that I need. And then yesterday there was an issue with the auto cycle not working. The ram would extend and it wouldn't go back like it was supposed to. After the machine warmed up, that behavior changed a little bit. So I did use the machine for a little while, but it obviously didn't have enough time to warm up when I was first diagnosing that issue. After it warmed up, the issue persisted a little bit, about, I don't know, 1 in every 6 or 1 in every 8 strokes. The auto return would not go back like it was supposed to. So it's still definitely not perfect, but I have not made any adjustments yet to it. So I'm going to keep using it. I still didn't use it a lot yesterday. I filled up the carry-all on the tractor about 2/3 of the way, and then I had to head on home. So today we're going to try to push through some big blocks. We're going to get it nice and warm, see how it works, and then, you know, maybe we'll tinker with the auto adjust if we're not satisfied with it. Did I say auto adjust? The auto return if we're not satisfied with it, and we'll see where we go. So let's get to work. These are the big rounds that we're going to try today. I'm going to start off with this one here, the smallest of the big rounds, and then we'll move into the others. And I'm using the 4-way wedge on the splitter. Last week I posted a video of us using a Wolfe Ridge 35HO, the next line up from this, and we were using some of these same blocks off the same log, and the splitter actually would not bust the blocks open with the 4-way wedge the way that we were using it. We didn't know that you could use just the splitter lever and not the auto return lever, and if you use just the splitter lever, then it builds pressure and it, you know, maybe would have busted through them. So anyway, that's what we're going to try today, is to use the splitter. Now mine is a 28 ton, not a 35 ton, so we'll see what happens. So you saw there was just one piece of wood where I had to hit the lever a couple times to force it through. It took everything else just fine. So I'm super satisfied with this. That's just a silly amount of wood in that 15 minutes or so that I was splitting compared to the old splitter over there. That would have taken me, I don't know, double that, easy. And I definitely wouldn't have been that quick with rounds that large, because trying to manipulate them on the ground with the splitter standing up, just, yeah, it's a pain. I'm glad I don't have to do that anymore, because that thing, that log lift, I can't imagine bringing in any rounds any larger or any heavier. So this is just as much machine, I think, that I will need. I don't think I'll need any more. This thing did everything I wanted to do. I think if you go back and look at that other video of the 35 HO that we ran last week, and when it kept kicking back, that thing must not have been set to its capacity or anywhere near its capacity, because it just kept kicking out on auto cycle. And pretty much every time on this one, everything was split on auto cycle except for the one where I had to hit the lever a couple times, and I hit just that one lever and it was able to kind of build up pressure and force its way through. So I think by comparison, considering this is a 28-ton machine and the other one's a 35-ton machine, I just don't think the other one was dialed in the way it's supposed to be. So anyway, this is doing great. I'm super satisfied. Hope you guys are liking these videos of this splitter, because there's going to be a whole lot more of them, you can bet that. And I'm going to blow through this wood in a hurry. I'm going to need to get in lots more. Now I do have a little bit up in the area that I've been clearing on previous videos. There's some wood up there still. There's some that's bucked up, and there's some that's not bucked up, that's still in logs. But still, as quick as that machine is, I'm going to be blowing through it. So we'll be doing that on some future videos. If you guys got any questions or comments about this machine, obviously leave them in the comments section. I'll respond to what I can. Until next time, I hope you have a good one. I'll see you on the next video.